Hello, my name is Sean. Welcome to the channel, and today I want to talk about the new Rolls Royce Spectre. Now, if you don't know, the Spectre is Rolls Royce's new coupe, and it's gonna be the first EV Rolls Royce. And this car is gonna be built on the same platform as the Phantom. So it's going to look like a Wraith, but sit a little higher with it being built on a Phantom. Now they've given out, some information about this car that you probably can run around and see online, but they haven't unveiled the whole thing. And I'm hoping that they will unveil it when the Monterey Car Week pops off, because I'm extremely interested in this car, and I'm really interested to see what the interior quality is like. It's a Rolls Royce, so I know it's going to be something crazy, but I want to see the actual design direction that they're going to be going in with this new generation of Rolls Royce coupes. I think one of the most interesting things about this car is the fact that it's going to be the most digital Rolls Royce ever, and they're saying there's going to be over 140,000 sender receiver relations with over 1,000 functions and 25,000 sub functions, which got me wondering, what can this car actually do? Is there some form of autonomous driving, self-driving, things of that nature? Something you really wouldn't worry about owning a Rolls Royce, because most people that own Rolls Royce are going to have a driver taking them to and fro, which is another thing that I find interesting, is the fact that they're not really talking about range for this car, because they really see this as a city car, taking it to the office, taking it home, and when it's going to be in the office and at home, it's likely always going to be on a charge. So yeah, they're not really worried about taking this car on long trips abroad. That might be a future car, that's just not going to be this one. But I find it a little strange that they said they're not really caring about, I'm doing quote figures, I know you can't see me, about the range for this car, while also changing the Spirit of Ecstasy's robes to get down that drag coefficient. So yeah, kind of makes me wonder if they're just saying that to throw the competition off, or if they actually mean that. And I know a lot of people aren't thrilled with the ideas of cars going electric, and maybe that's not the future. Who knows, there might actually be something with synthetic fuels that supplant the coming of the electric car. Well, we haven't seen that yet, we haven't gotten there yet, and until that time, I think this is a direction we're going. I am also a fan of loud engines, and being able to feel the engine while you're driving your car. Nothing like it. Sitting in silence all day in a sports car, that's a no-go. But for a car like a Rolls Royce, which is already extremely quiet, I think it's the perfect fit. And there's maybe some concerns about the weight, but if they're not really caring about range, you can't really expect massive battery packs in this car. Rolls Royce is already a heavy car to begin with. A couple extra 1,000 pounds isn't going to change that. It's going to be a little bit quicker because of the instant torque, but you're not going to be able to hide the weight of any car, no matter how much power and torque it has. So tell me, what's your thoughts on the new Rolls Royce Spectre? Do you like the direction they're going? Are you alright with the design that you see so far, or do you think there could be changes, something a little bit better to come down the road? Let me know in the comments. If you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, dislike the video. If you want to see what I got planned next, come see what I got planned next. Got a lot of stuff for the channel. Really want you guys to be there with me. With that said, I'll catch you later.